Alright, let's see. Back up on that motherfucking beat. Let me see what you working with, bitch. Pop it down real low. Hit that fucking flow. Let me see that ass wobble and that dick go low. Oh, yeah. You know what it's about. All up in my motherfucking head. Don't you shout. Go ahead, say everything you wanna say to me. Cause my ears open and I'm listening to you. Go ahead, bitch. You think you better? Think you cooler? I'm the weather. Fucking rain. I'm the storm. Bring that fucking thunder, bitch. Now you gone. Pop 1, pop 2, pop 3. Now you motherfucking best respect who I be. Yeah. Lil G. Lex Cal. Gangsta Barbie, bitch. Yeah, that's who I am. Go ahead, you think you so fucking cool. Well, guess what? Jet Life, fuck you too. It's Gangsta Barbie, bitch. Yeah, you know what it is. Barbies is what this fucking shit's about. Yeah, you know what is good. Yeah, got sexy on my chain. Cause, you know I'm doing all these things. Titties so big, got motherfucking brains. Yeah, what you thinking about? Them bitches look so big like a motherfucking house. Go ahead, touch on me. Go ahead, see what you gonna get to see. Go ahead, go low. Nah, look at that. I'ma take it all off. You just gonna stare. Damn, what happened to you? You look from a little girl to you 22. What you think? That's my type. I eat that chicken and I keep my fucking pussy right. Know what it is? Know what I'm talking about? He know he get that good, and it's all about this shit. You think you getting rich? I don't give a lovely motherfucker because I'm getting dick. All of his, not yours too. Cause that's it. Got my nails done. My hair did too. Lip piercing and you already know how I fucking do with the money. Stacked up high. Never have I ever been motherfucking dry, but now you know. Beats going slow. I'm about to be done, but I'm fucking going low. Yeah, you know that I go so cold. I keep it on the motherfucking real, as you know, cause I'm a motherfucking G in this bitch. I keep all these motherfucking niggas on this foot. Yeah, go ahead, bitch. I'll lock your ass up, chain you to the motherfucking roof, and have you a duck. Go ahead. I'm done. Go ahead and see if you gonna fucking run.